You wanton harlots! All 10 of you there, waiting for Daddy's sweet, sweet mouth.
Hello, Mr. Jacobson. I'm here to cut your toenails and your fingernails.
Why? Why would you do that to an old man?
Come on now, Mr. Jacobson. You know you're in here for a reason. You can't look after yourself. You've just wet your pants.
They're not my pants. I've got Alzheimer's.
Now I'll just do this.
No, please, wait. I've been growing them since I was a boy.
Yes,
Obviously, I know, but...
all of us have.
No, but I mean, growing them to this length. Short, but sweet. I need my toenails. They are my power.
Okay, Mr. Jacobson, no touching. When you say power, you mean disgusting bits on the end of your feet.
I mean tasty treats that make me feel like I am strong. That take me on a journey. Here. Try one.
Mr. Jacobson,
Try one! And you will see beyond this realm into another one.
I'm not going to eat your toenails.
Just lick it then. Just the tip. All right. I'll show you. I might need you to push my head down. Lethal Knot and the Birdman.
Hi there, Mr. Jacobson.
Hello, my friend.
Who's your precious little friend, Mr.
Wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah.
She's an unbeliever. She must taste the foot, Judd.
Does she not want to come into our world?
People are scared of you, Basil, but...
Why is she scared of us? We could turn her into a beautiful angel instead of the warty, disfigured freak that she is.
Help me, friends. Help me to find a way to tempt her.
Oh, we will. We will. Put the special sauce on your toes.
Ah.
Wah, wah, wah. Now I have to give you this to settle you down.
Wait. A special sauce. Ah! Need to use the other hand to press it in.
The special sauce from the fridge, not the one
Here, you can have that back.
I will not wait all day.
You're right. You will not want to. Once I squirt this on me. Cold.
To wipe you down now.
A secondary plan that has come to fruition. Don't
forget us, Mr. Jacobson.
Don't my toenails look tempting? I have covered them in sauce. Sauce.
Let me get that off there.
Oh, you feel it, don't you? The tiny little tendrils of magic climbing up your nose and into the bit of your brain that makes it smell like something. I have Alzheimer's.
It smells like chocolate.
Oh, bitter chocolate, yes.
Welcome to our world.
Welcome to our world. You angel.